Hey everyone, Corey here from the Techies, and today we're going to be looking at the Wix editor. If you're unfamiliar with what Wix is, it's an online service that allows you to create professional looking websites without having to do any kind of coding. It's a completely web-based GUI drag and drop kind of website designer. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be trying to create our very own photography website. I'll go over that in a second. But before we get started, I just wanted to let everyone know that this video has been sponsored by Wix. So a little while ago, I released PurePixel. PurePixel is just a project from the techies that is basically a place to house photographs. If you're unaware, we're really into photography and film and that kind of stuff. And so rather than having things rot on a hard drive, we decided to see if we could create a place where we could just house these photos, a portfolio, if you will. And so using the Wix editor, we're going to be trying to create a similar looking website, a better looking website. So inside of the Wix editor, we actually have an option to go ahead and choose photography as a template. I guess a lot of photographers use Wix to create their portfolios and such. So we have two options. We have the Wix ADI, which helps you choose certain things for you, like color or themes and stuff like that. Or you can just use the standalone Wix editor. We're going to go ahead and use the standalone Wix editor just because I like to customize things. I don't really like using the templates. Templates is a good place to start, but then what the really creative part is actually making it your very own. So what I like to see in a photography website is I like to have one main image, basically that sets the tone of your website. For example, if you're really into street photography, this would be a good start here. Or if you're into landscapes, that's a good start. So what we're going to do, I actually really like this one. This one's a very simple looking site here. I really like very simple websites. I think that especially for photography portfolios, all you need is like a home page, maybe an about page. You don't even need that, honestly, but the main focus should be on your gallery. And so anything that takes away from that, in my opinion, makes for a worse site. So I like this one here. I think it needs some editing, so what we're going to do is we're going to just go ahead and first view it. I want to see what it looks like. Okay, so, okay, very simple. You have your basically slideshow here, different themes that they have. Okay, very simple. I like this. Have an about me page, a blog, and a book online. Okay, so I think let's go ahead and look at some of the other options. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Not how I feel about this one. Let's look at another one. Let's check out. Let's see what's on the next page. Landscape photography. So it's pretty hard. I really like a lot of different kinds of photography. I know if you look on here, you're going to see a lot of landscape stuff, but I actually really like to do macro. I like to do long exposure, but I do have a lot of landscape stuff. So let's see. Let's preview this one. I want to see what this one looks like. Okay. There's your name, about, portfolio. Okay, so this is pretty cool. It's like a slideshow. It's a little bit better, but let's see. Let's check out this one. Into the Wild. Okay. About creatures. I'm not sure if we want to do something like this, or do we want to have our gallery pretty similar to what we have on PurePixel. So let's see if we have something similar. See what this landscape photography showcase. All right. So what's cool is these templates here are actually free, so we're free to, even if you don't have a premium account, you can play with stuff. Okay, so this is pretty similar to what I have. Nature, an About Us page, and a client showcase. So I'm actually going to use... I actually like this. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to edit this site, and it's going to open up the Wix editor. Okay. So the first thing is I don't like where this is centered. So what's cool is I can actually just move it wherever I want. I'd like it to be in the middle, but oh, this as well, but larger. Is there a way to like hit shift and absolutely. Fantastic. Let's make it a little bit thinner and put it in the center here. Center. Where's the horizontal center? Where is it? There it is. There's one. Where's the other one? Oh, there it is. Okay, there we go. All right. So Nick Martinez, photographer. I mean, obviously, right? Let's go ahead and choose. I'm gonna just name it the name of the website. So this is Pure Pixel. Maybe let's keep it a little bit anonymous. And we don't need any other names but that. And let's make this thinner. Close this down. Yeah, there we go. Make sure that's completely centered. Alright. How does that look? Pure Pixel. Looks good. Let's change the font. Maybe to like a nice serif or something. No. Jura. There we go. Maybe bold that up. What does that look like? We can make that a little larger. Let's go ahead and make that a little bit bigger. It's not bolded up. Color, highlight. Yeah, I think that's alright. Let's make it larger. Pure Pixel. Okay, I like that. I like that. Let's go ahead and let's add an image. So I think I have some images already loaded. Yeah, I do. So let's use this one. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's for that is. So change strip image. What if I change it to that? Oh, okay, so that's the bottom. Layout. Let's go to layout. How's this image position? What if I put it here? Oh, I see. Okay, we have different places that we have. Let's if we put it in the middle. Okay, how's this image scaled? Fit and tile. Oh, no. Fit, no. Original size. Tile horizontally. No, I don't like the tile things. Tile, no. Fill. And let's move it down. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Can we change these images? Yeah, let's change these. Let's go ahead and add some. I think we have a couple. Let's choose. Let's choose this one. Get rid of theirs. Remove. And let's add another one. Let's add one more. This one. No, actually this one. I don't want that one. This one. Alright, so we have two images here. And, ooh. Design, layout. That actually looks pretty cool. I actually like that. I want to change this strip image. I don't want, how about I just remove strip image. So change here. Media, settings, layouts, design. Theme strips? think white actually is pretty good. So, oh man, change images. Let's change the design. Grid galleries. We have different kinds of galleries we can add. Not really sure. No. No. I actually like this, but we're going to use this on another page. Let's not do that. Let's go ahead and go all the way back to filling the screen. That actually looks pretty cool. I actually like the way that looks. Can we move where it is? How long between images? Okay, so 2 seconds. Maybe we can... Oh, that's the actual image there. Can we move the image itself? Bring to the front. Okay, let's go ahead and preview this, what we have so far. So, oh wow, that looks beautiful. Look at that. That second image works really, really well. The first image, not so much. If I could move that image down a little bit, that would be great. But the first image is absolutely stunning. Or the second image. I would like to find a way to change where the image is setting. Change images. Transitions effects. Crossfade. Horizontal. Let's do that. Alright, let me change this image really quick. I think if we have a different image, it will look a little bit better. I think this one will be really nice. Let's see how that looks. Oh, wow, there we go. That's it right there. That's it. Yep. That's what I want. Oh, absolutely. Beautiful. That is freaking cool, and it's so easy to do. It even says here, click whatever text you want. All right. So now let's go to our different options here. So what I'm going to do is go back to home, the home page. I think the home page is pretty much done. If the paragraph here, yeah, I guess we could add some stuff. We'll just say pure pixel. Oh, did I not click on it? Oh, yeah, I didn't. Let's just say pure pixel is pretty great, guys. Yeah. Alright, and let's change the font, of course. I like to have the same font as that one, and I believe is it Jura? That might be right. Beautiful. That's all we need to know. Actually, we don't even need to say that. They'll know even from looking at the website itself. So, let's see. Nature, architecture, about. I don't even think I need an About Us page. I could put my About Us page here. Be like, I'm Corey, the photographer. Okay. And if we wanted to, we could add an image. Upload an image. This is me. Hello, say hello. Wow, okay. I could just put this image here and say, I would probably need to choose a better image. Let me see if I have any better images than that. That's not a great image. I like this is my fun image. Let's do this. Well, I wouldn't say fun image, but this is the image I pretty much use for everything. Image upload. Don't ask me why, but I do. All right, give me just a second. Let me find out where this is. It's DSLR Corey me. Boom. There it is. Add to page. That's the face of a photographer right there. We'll put that right there. Pure Pixel's pretty great, guys. I'm Corey, the photographer. Let's edit this a little bit. Feel free to look around. That is all you need to say. Let's be honest with me. Alright, cool. Alright. So, let's go ahead and change the horizontal menu a little bit. I don't need all of these things. I'll leave one of them. I don't need an about because I just made that. I don't want people to contact me. I don't want that. Do I? No, I don't want people doing that. Delete that page. Client showcase. What are you? It's a photo album. Okay, we'll get rid of that. Architecture. Okay. And delete. Delete. Nature. Nature, you will be called something different. I will name you Gallery. That's all I need. I need a gallery and a home page. Where's the center? Center, center, center. Can I find you? Oh. Oh. Well, let's go ahead and shrink that down. Oh, there it is. There it is. Gallery and home. Okay. So, manage menu. Let's see what kind of settings we can have. Permissions, no restrictions, correct? Alright, I want to change the design of the menu. Let's see what we have. Customize. Do I want a line in between? Do I want something like that? I do not want a line in between. What other options do we have? Something like that? I like that, but I don't want it to have corners. So 0. Okay, and shadow, shadow. I'm gonna see how. Let's go ahead and preview what we got. See, there's still a little space there. Let's go back. It's a little bit too. It's a little bit too much for me. I want to go ahead and get rid of the. Let's customize that again. Hover. Maybe just a darker gray. How does that look? Oh, wait, we can't preview yet. Let's go ahead and make it. That. I still would like clicked. We'll do an even darker gray. Regular background color. Drop down background. And there's a hover distance. There it is. 0. That's what I want. Alright, let's preview that. You can't really see what page you're on. That's the problem. Maybe what we can do is we can change the on click. So clicked background. Oh, we can. We totally can. Fantastic. So let's change it to white. So what I did is you click it and it goes to white. Fantastic. Back to editor. I don't really. I think maybe we move this up a little bit, right? I don't really want it to touch. Okay. So there's that, and let's check out our gallery. It's actually going really well. This website's looking good, and it's not taking that much time. So here we go. The meat of the website. Let's change the images. Do I have any images loaded? Not really. So let's get rid of all these, and let's put mine in here. Add images. Yeah, I don't really have that much. Pure pixels. All media. Put blur in there. Add to gallery. And is there, let's add more images. Upload. Let's see what we got. Do I have anything quickly? Quickly. Let's use some maybe micro stuff. How big is this file? See, the only problem that I have often is that the file size of the photos can be just huge. So you got to pay attention a little bit. No, not that. Italy, finished. We should have a couple more done. All right, let me upload a couple more. See, there's me. And looking for, what am I looking for? Italy, Italy. So pretty recently, about a month ago now, I went to Italy. It was for work, but I still got some chance, like at night and stuff, to look at things. And so I actually got some pretty good shots for not having that much time. Oh wow, we have duplicates. Let's get rid of these two, and let's see how that works. That's not bad, dude. That's really not bad. Let's preview that. Oh, it shows the whole thing too. Oh, that's dope. We can cycle through. I think we want to change our main image, so let's do that. Let's change the main image. The main image is this one here, so let's change it. You want to put your best one in there, and which one is my best one? I'm not sure which one. Oh, okay. Let's see how. Oh, that's a pretty big file. I don't know how that'll work. All of these are like raw. What's this one? 12 megabytes. Man. 3 megabytes. Let's use this. Let's see. One of my favorite photos is something that I didn't actually take. It was a friend of mine's, and so we're going to borrow her image. And this is going to be, you can see it's 13 megabytes, so hopefully it doesn't cause too many problems when loading stuff. It's a picture of some fire, HDR, tracks. Okay. So I want that added to the gallery as number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see how that looks. Preview that. And where is that other? Okay, so here it is. So I need to make, I really want to make, that's actually a beautiful image though. But let's go back to the editor and let's see if we can change the function here. Replace images. This images. Add a link. You can actually add a link to an alternate title. Just save your changes. Yes. Settings. How does this gallery play? Navigation arrows. Yes. Let's put that on there. Auto plays on loading. How many seconds between 2 images? What is auto crop? Okay, let's do that. Let's preview that. I like these arrows, they help. See, what you can do too is you can click on it. Oh, that's the name. Okay. So let's go, so what we would do is we would add a name here. So like here, the text would be micro. I mean, I don't know. And add a link. What would we link to? YouTube.com or something? A web address, an email, a phone number. Okay. I don't want to do that. All right. So this is pretty much what I like to see in a photography website. Maybe we have another one. Maybe we can add another page that has maybe a gallery of all the images. But what does this stuff do? What is a header? Oh, it's that. Okay. I'm not sure how I feel. I think what I want to do is leave it as just white or no color. I don't know why that happened like that. That should be not on. It should be like that. And let me see the home page again. And the gallery. Cool. All right. So this would actually be called. This isn't really gallery. This is like featured, right? So we would name this featured. This would be please take a look at my featured photos. I don't know what I would say. We can animate it. We can have it float in, fly in, Spinning? No, I don't like that. Let's do a reveal. What does a real reveal do? We can customize. What can we customize? Oh, that's pretty cool. Bouncing, gliding. I don't actually think we need an animation. Let's leave that alone. Because again, I'm about the simplistic style. And so on our homepage, maybe what we would do is add a little bit more information about who I am, how you could get in contact with me. But let's go ahead and preview that. Okay, let's save it first. This is called PP, Pure Pixel. Oh no, Pure Pixel. Okay, save and continue. Great. So now what you would wind up doing is you would publish it, you would choose your domain, and you can do all that stuff through Wix. So let's preview one more time and see how this looks. Oh, that's beautiful. I love this. I love this. Okay, one more thing I would like to add is I think we need a third image. Maybe a fourth, too. So I want to put in a landscape photo. No, not that one. This one. I want to put this one in there. And I think I might have one more that we can use. Maybe this will work. I need to try this. Maybe this will work. I have this really cool long exposure shot of downtown where I used to live, and maybe this will work. It's a little bit cropped, so it looks a little bit weird, but maybe we can get this to look right. Let's see if we check that and see how that looks. Preview again. See what? Oh wow, there it is. Much better. Look at the front again. Okay. Yep. See, you can see it's a long exposure shot just of all the light trails and stuff. See, I really like the way the contrast of the white and the black text there. Maybe we would want to have it moved. Let's see if we move this box. Where would it be? Here, maybe? Would that be better or would it be worse? Let's see. No, that's no good. It definitely needs to be. Oh, oops. Definitely. Oh man. Okay. I'm messing all this up. Okay, let's just leave it there. Layouts. Let's see. How's it aligned? Let's align it. There we go. And design. Grid galleries. I'd like to see some of the other grid galleries. I like the way this one looks, but I don't think we have enough images for that. Yeah, I think if we had enough images, that would look really cool. I kind of like that. How many images do you think I need for this? Let me see preview. Is it just, oh, and you click on it and it opens. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, I want to see. Let me go ahead and quickly add some images here. Actually, let's just put all of them in there. Why not? Put that one, add all those to gallery. Do I have repeats? I don't. I do. At this one. Let's add some more images. Let's just upload all the images we got. All right. Let's see. I know I have a couple that are really good that I would also like to see here. What does this look like? What is that? What is that a picture of? Oh, that's the okay, that's another long exposure. That's actually a really good shot too. I'm glad I randomly picked that one. Let's see. 3.7. Ooh, I don't remember. Long exposure. I actually think this is the image we want. Done. That's fine actually. Edit. There it is. I found it. Edit. Reptile. And let's choose a couple more. DSLR. Time lapse. Trip new. Trip A. get a picture of the dog. The dog. Let's see. Actually, none of these pictures of the dog are any good. I'll show you guys what we're looking at here. That's some other random thing. Time-lapse trip new? No. Do I have anything else, maybe? Alright, let's see. That might be enough images. Enough images to make it. Did I add that one yet? No, I didn't. Okay, so we have 10 images. Oh, that's so cool. That one's upside down, though. Maybe. Oh, are they supposed to be upside down? That is so cool. Like, legit. That is legitimately really cool. I want this, though. This Pure Pixel logo to be on top of all of it. So let's move this back to center. And let's bring this bring to the front. Kind of put it. I still want to keep it in the middle. What I would maybe do is make it a little bit smaller. I don't have enough images on tap right now, but this is really cool. Maybe we need to make that smaller for sure. Pure Pixel. Alright, I gotta find more images. This is really cool. You know, let's upload some images. Let's see what we got. Pictures. I gotta have a bunch here. We'll just start picking images. I know I got some. That's actually a pretty good image. I remember taking this one. Open up that. And this is our blended exposures. Alright. There we go. We'll take that one. Good, good. And we will add a few more. Let's do there's a folder here. This one. So the only problem with this is that I am uploading these like 5 megabyte files. So basically we're gonna have a problem eventually, and I would have to choose images that aren't, or choose a resolution that isn't so heavy, because if you have so many, each one of these is 5 megabytes, it's like a 20 megabyte load when you load. That's really cool though. This is so cool. Maybe have this move down a little bit so we don't actually need to have so many images. That is so cool. So there we go. Maybe we have something like that. Wow. And then what I would do is change page design. I would move this menu down a little bit. And I would move this stuff up. I would move this up. This is just because I don't have enough images. If I had enough images, I could easily just... There we go. Let's put that there. Let's preview that. Dude, that's so cool, and it's so simple. Honestly, what I would do is I would just remove this whole thing. Let's do that. We don't need... nobody cares about who I am. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to delete you. Alright, let's see. That's all we really need to do, I think. That's really cool. I would need to change the home and gallery, but we'll be here forever tweaking this thing. But that's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, it's really easy to use, and it's really cool. Like if we're previewing our website, like we can click on this and it'll bring up the full-size image, and you'll have a title there or whatever. But yeah, guys, that's the Wix editor. There'll be a link in the description to this as well as Pure Pixel. Check them out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. This has been Corey from the Techies.